Hey you guys, it's Sarah Styles, and the reason that my face is nice and bare and fresh right now is because I have a really fun video for you. It is going to be a little haul, a little review, tutorial. It's gonna be just a little bit of everything. If you watch my videos, you will notice that my background is a little bit different, and I have my little sign here that says, I hope Sarah Styles makes you smile. Oh, also first announcement. So I had a fun little idea to give my lovely subscribers a little shout out. You could have your social media featured on my little memory board here, either your Instagram or your YouTube or whatever social media of yours that you want to promote. I'll be having a different username on my little board every week and giving everyone a little shout out. So if you do want a shout out on my channel, leave a comment down below that you have subscribed to my channel and turned on my post notifications and also liked this video. I went to an Ulta and I spent a lot more money than I intended to. I got some new cool products that I want to show you guys. I wanted you guys to see my first impression of the products and then also what look that I could create with the products that I got. And I also want to tell you guys the price. So if you're interested and if you're cheap like me, you can already go ahead and know the price. Okay guys, I got the receipt and I turned on some more lights, so if the lighting looks different from the previous clip, then that's why. First product that I bought, I'm really excited about. This is the new version of the MAC Fix Plus. It is the Fix Plus Gold Light. I saw this on display and I really hadn't heard anything about it. I hadn't seen anything about it, but I needed to refill my Fix Plus. But anyway, it's the same Fix Plus, but it has gold shimmer in it. So this cost $26. That's what I paid for it at Ulta. But I'm excited to try this. I'm obsessed with Fix Plus. I'm obsessed with facial sprays. Next, I got some MAC strobe cream. I've been really wanting to get some of this, and I just got the little like sample size at the checkout counter. So this small size costs $12 at Ulta. I mean, that's really not that bad. It's a pretty good amount of product. Okay, next product that I got that I'm so excited about, that I've been wanting for so long. So I got this Stila Glitter and Glow liquid eyeshadow, and this is in the color Smoky Storm. I'm a little bit late on the game. These came out a while ago, but they have them in glitters and shimmers. So this one's a glitter. It is a little bit silver, but it has a little hint of kind of a bronze and more of like a smoky color, hence the name. I've also heard that some brand, and I can't remember which one it was, I found the dupe that I was talking about just then in that clip, and it is the BH Cosmetics eye lights, and they come in 6 different shades. The price comparison is pretty good. These are only $7 opposed to the Stila liquid eyeshadow, which is $24. These do only come in 6 shades. That might just be because it's a new product. But they are only $7. I haven't tried them myself, so I don't know how they compare, but this could be a good drugstore dupe. This is $24. So for this little tube, this one little tube, it's $24. And this is just one color. The formula is amazing, but $24 for just this, it's a little bit steep. Okay, next thing is just a refill. This is something that I have used for years, but I just got a refill of the Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Spray. This is a travel size. So this was $15. I'm pretty sure the regular size is like 28 or something like that. Okay, this is a really fun purchase. So I got this MAC pigment. This is called the Lavender Hologram Glitter. It's a glitter, not a pigment. I think I said pigment. Okay, so this little thing costs $22. So again, a little bit of a steep price. So I just got a little travel size of the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. I used to have a full tube of this, and this was $12. I'm not sure what the full size is. Probably should have looked that up, but you can look it up online. I like this mascara a lot. It has its kind of own unique formula. Okay, and the last thing that I got is this Anastasia Brow Definer. This is in the color Taupe. If you've watched my videos before, you know that I always use the Anastasia Brow Wiz in the color Taupe, but I decided that I would try the brow definer. I wanted to just try the angled instead of the pencil. Also, I forgot to preface in my intro that I am sick. I have a cold, so if my voice sounds kind of funny, that is why. I'm gonna try to figure out a look to do with these products. So I want to incorporate the strobe cream, the Fix Plus Gold Light, the Stila liquid eyeshadow, but I also have the glitter, so I'm not sure if I'm gonna use both or one or the other. I don't know. I'm obviously gonna use my brow product. I can use the Better Than Sex mascara, but I think the main thing that I'm inspired by is this glitter, and also, you know, Coachella just happened, so I'm kind of in like the festival glittery mood. Okay, you guys, so I just went and put on some moisturizer, just kind of prepped my skin for some makeup. So I'm gonna be using the MAC Strobe Cream and the Fix Plus Gold Light in my prepping routine. Oh my gosh, it smells so good. Oh wow. And I really just decided to put that all over. It feels very much like a lotion. I think I'm actually gonna put a little bit more on. Okay, so now I'm gonna take this Fix Plus Gold Light. I'm going to douse my face in this. I love that smell of the Fix Plus. That is just a classic that I love. I didn't really have any product in foundation, concealer, blush, or bronzer that's new, so I'm just gonna do my regular thing and be back at you. So I've done my face makeup. I actually went ahead and filled in my eyebrows with that new Anastasia Brownifier. I really do like it after, especially using it this time. It's a little bit easier and quicker since it does have the angled tip. Usually what I do between my face makeup and my eye makeup is I spray Fix Plus or some kind of facial spray. So I thought at this point I would go ahead and spray some more of the Fix Plus Gold Light. Ooh, okay, yeah. So I do see a little bit of the gold. The glitter is so fine that it really does just slightly lay over everything. Let's move on to the fun part. So I want to do a creative look today. Okay, so my eyes are already primed and everything. I think I'm gonna start by going in with my Wycon palette. I'm gonna take this color right here in the bottom corner. Okay, so I'm about to go ham with my Modern Renaissance palette. It has this beautiful pink shade in it. This one here, Love Letter. Before I do that, I'm gonna use a little bit of this color Bone Fresco. Okay, and I'm even gonna bring some of that color underneath and just really smoke it out. Just really blown out, like really no rules. Okay, now it is time to go in with that color Love Letter. So I have blended this shade all over the place. I'm gonna go in with my Tarte Rainforest of the Sea Volume 3 palette. It is a bunch of sparkly shimmery shades. So this color Treasure and then this color Escape. And I'm just gonna sweep that all over everywhere basically. I think it gave everything kind of like an overall shimmery look. But I realized that I don't have any glitter glue. So, you know, we're just gonna have to get creative. But when I was watching the show Glam Masters, they used clear gloss to adhere some things. This is just a L'Oreal clear gloss. Y'all, this glitter is so crazy. I feel like I'm gonna get it. Oh shoot, I just spilled it everywhere. Yo, this is a dream come true. This reminds me a lot of like glitter tears. Oh my gosh, I just got this all over my Rainforest of the Sea palette. Okay, you guys, I seriously look like some kind of weird demon sparkly creature thing. But this really is just what we're twerking with here. And my idea was to incorporate some white eyeliner. So I think I'm gonna start by using my NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil in the color Milk. Throwback to any of you guys that started doing makeup a long time ago. So I'm gonna put this in my waterline and that's just really gonna brighten everything up. I feel like I'm running a fever right now, but I'm trying to like be creative and let my creative juices flow. Okay, you guys, pause. It's future Sarah in editing, and I realized that I forgot to explain to you guys what happened. So I tried a little bit of white eyeliner that I didn't like, and then off camera I went and added some rhinestones to my brow bone. And as you can see here, one of those rhinestones is actually missing because the adhesive sucks on them and it fell off, so just please ignore that. Added some fake lashes. So
that's where we stand, and I lost that clip, so oops, bye, thanks.
So now to finish off this really crazy look with some lips, I have this, and it's by the brand Bite. It is a lip gloss in the color Opal, and it has a little bit of a lavender metallic shimmer in it. But in conclusion, since this was partly a review video, I really love the glitter. The only thing I have to say about glitter is that it does get everywhere, but that's just inevitable. And the strobe cream, obsessed with. It smelled really nice, it felt really nice, acted as a primer, and I feel like my face does look really glowy and more than usual, and that could also be attributed to the Fix Plus Gold Light. And speaking of which, I'm gonna go ahead and do a final spray. And then also one of my items that I purchased, the Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Spray. Ignore my eyebrow that is missing this rhinestone. But anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this really crazy video. I mean, it was a haul, a review, a tutorial, but also just a crazy makeup look. Remember that if you want your username to be featured on my little board back here, comment down below, turn on my post notifications, subscribe, and like this video. I'll be telling you guys about my new posting schedule soon. As you guys know, I do Makeup Monday, like today, where every Monday I post a makeup related video, usually a tutorial. I want to add another day of the week, and I have some really fun video ideas coming up for you guys. So turn on the post notification bell so you know when I post next. Anyway, I hope Sarah Styles made you smile. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you're having a great day, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!
If the sun don't shine today and the rain do